Evaluate the given term using identity, that is x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. The questions are 99 whole cube, 102 whole cube and 998 whole cube. This is very huge sum. To solve them easily means if you want to do this cube, then 99 into 99 into 99 you have to do it 3 times, and if some mistake will be occurs, it would be very much problematic. So here with this identity you can solve these sums very easily. So keep watching this, you will understand how to solve that with converting into the nearer by 0. Let us begin. Hello friends, my name is Sunil Kumar Jadhav, Principal of Sri Sarvajanik English High School, Surat. Standard 9 Mathematics, Chapter number 2, Polynomial. Here in this video we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 2.5. So let us begin. Question 7, evaluate the following using identities. Which identities we want to use? That is x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. We know the formula. X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3 into x into y into bracket x plus y. X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3 into x into y into bracket x minus y. So whatever it is given, we need to convert in the similar formula. So you can see first one, that is 99 whole cube. 99 whole cube will try to convert into nearer by 0. Then you know 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. So this identity or this thing I can write in the way, that is 100 minus 1. You know 100 minus 1 is equal to 99 and it is equal to whole cube. Now we know that this has been converted into the identity, that is considered this term as will be considered as x and this term will be considered as y. So x minus y whole cube. Now we'll use that formula, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3 into xy into bracket x minus y. Consider this term as a x, the first term, and the second one I'll consider as y. Let us begin with, you know the formula, that is x cube means first term cube 100 cube minus second term, that is 1, so it is 1 cube minus 3 into first term, that is 100 into second term, that is 1 into x, that is 100 minus y. So we have converted into nearer by 0, that you can see it is 101. 100 cube. How will you do the 100 cube? What is the meaning of cube? You have to multiply 100 into 100 into 100, means 3 times this 2 zeros will be coming, that is 1 2. Multiply by 1 more 100, it is 2 more 0. Multiply by again 1 more 100, so it is multiply, or we can put it 2 more zeros. So this is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1 cube will be equal to 1. This will multiply here, then it is 3 into 100 into 1, so it would be minus 300 into bracket 100 minus 1. I'll write it as it is, don't write it 99, otherwise again we are going on that path where we have started with. So this I will keep it as usual, 1 double 0 double 0 minus 1. So it is 300 into 100, will multiply them, this is minus and this is plus, so the answer will be negative, that is minus 3. These are 2 zeros and it has multiplied with this 100, so it is 2 more zeros, minus 3 into 1, this is minus into minus will turns to plus. 300 into 1 is equal to 300. This is what we have written. Now what we'll do it, this is with the plus sign and this is with the plus sign, so we'll do the addition of both of them. We know how to add them. If we will add it, then this 30 and this 300 will be added in that, so it is 300. You know how to add them. I'll put it here, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 and this 300 I'll put it here. So if we will add them, 0 0 3 1 2 3 and this is 1, so it is 1 triple 0 300 minus, this is minus and this is also minus. We know that if we are having two terms with the same sign, we are going to do the addition and we'll put the same sign. So that way if we will edit this 1 into this 30,000, it will be 30,001. So it is 3,001. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 1,000,300 minus 3,001. So we'll do the subtraction. You know how to do the subtraction. So you will do that subtraction and ultimately will get the answer, that is 970,299. This is how you can solve it. Now let us see question number 2. In question number 2 again we will see that it is 102 whole cube. For that what we'll do, as we have to convert into nearer by 100 or nearer by zeros, so nearer by 0 of this 102 will be 100. So I'll write this 102 in this format, 100 plus 2 whole cube. Now we'll use this identity, that is x plus y whole cube. This is the identity, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3 into xy into bracket x plus y. So I'll write it, this first term whole cube plus second term whole cube plus 3 into first term, that is 100, into second term into bracket 100 plus 2. Let us do it. 100 cube, we have already done the 100 cube. You know what to do. This 20 has to multiply by 3 times, 2 more and 2 more, plus 2 cube will be equal to, we know that 2 cube is equal to 8, plus 3 2s are 6 into 100, so it would be 600 into bracket, that is 100 plus 2. So this I will keep it as it is, 1000000 plus 8 plus, now this time I will multiply this 600 along with this 100 and then I will multiply with this 2. So 600 into 100 will be equal to 60000 plus 6 into 2, that is 12, and this is 2 zeros. So 600 into 2 is equal to 1200. Now you know how to do the addition of all of this. You will do the addition, then ultimately will get the answer 1061208. You can try for this. I have not done it just because you can do the addition and subtraction very easily. This is the thing that you have learned in the previous standards. Let us see sum number 3. In this case, you will be able to see it is 998. We need to convert it into nearer by zeros, and 998 nearer by 0 will be 1000. 1000 minus, you know, what is that? 998 means minus 2 whole cube. So which formula you will use it? X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3 into xy into bracket x minus y. This consider as x and this will be considered as y. So first term whole cube, 1000 whole cube minus second term, that is 2 cube, minus 3 into first term, that is 3 into 1000 into 2 into other bracket, that we can write it 1000 minus 2. Cube of 1000 means this 30 will be 3 times. So I will put it 1 2 3, second time 1 2 3, one more time 1 2 3. It's a huge amount. Minus 2 cube, 2 cube is equal to 8, minus 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and this 3 zeros, 6 multiplied by 1000, it would be 6000 as it is. In the bracket I'll write it 1000 minus 2. So this 6000 will be multiplied by this as well as multiplied by this along with this minus sign. So I will put it this thing as it is, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 8. This 6000 will be multiplied by 1000. This is minus and this is plus. So minus into plus will be minus 6 1 2 3, and this 1000 will be again multiplied. So 3 more zeros. This is minus and this is minus. So minus into minus will turns to plus, and 6000 into 2. So 6 throughs are 12, and this 3 zeros means it is 12,000. So here you can see, as I have shown you earlier, that this is along with the plus sign and this is also along with the plus sign. So you have to do the addition of the plus sign. Similar way you have to do the addition of this to minus sign, and you have to put the sign minus. You have to do the addition along with this plus sign and plus sign, and you have to put the plus sign. this minus sign and minus sign, you have to do the addition and you have to keep the minus sign. Then you take the difference between this plus sign term and the minus sign term. So ultimately, I'm telling you what answer you are going to get it. You try for this, you will get ultimately the answer is 994,011,992. So this is how you will get the answer, that is 994,011,992. So this is how by nearby zeros you have to write the identity, and then you will use the identity x plus y whole cube or x minus y whole cube, and you can solve this sum easily. Here the complex multiplication is converted into simple. You have to do the addition and subtraction of the huge term, but it becomes easy if you are finding difficulty to do the multiplication. So this is how in competitive exam also you can solve this sum easily. So I hope you understand this question number 7 of exercise 2.5. If you like this video, then click on the like button, give more and more likes so that video will be visible to other students also. Share with your friends. In next video we'll see furthermore. Thank you so much.